Good morning students. It's your SST class and today we must get some knowledge of Earth. What is Earth? What is the shape of Earth? Where we are living? So the last question, where we are living, you all know that we are living on Earth. Where this Earth is present? Earth is present in solar system. What is the solar system? So let's have a talk regarding solar system. Solar system is a system which contains 8 planets and 1 sun. What are the name of these planets? Previously, I will take you in back that previously there are 9 planets, but Pluto, which is the 9th planet, is out of this solar system just because of its size. Now there are 8 planets in our solar system. So in our solar system, what are the name of these 8 planets? Number first planet is Mercury, then number second Venus, third planet is our Earth where we are living, fourth Mars, then fifth Jupiter, and then sixth Saturn, seventh Uranus, and the last planet of our solar system is Neptune. So these are the 8 planets, but it's very surprising that in whole solar system, out of these 8 planets, only Earth is the planet where life exists. Why? Life exists only on Earth. So we must have knowledge of this thing that Earth is only planet where heat of sun is also present. Heat of sun is also present on Mercury, Venus or Mars, but after heat, Earth also have air. It has its own atmosphere and we know that we require oxygen for living. So life supporting things, number first thing, heat is required for life, that's present on Earth. Number second thing, air, that is also present only on Earth. And the number third life supporting thing, that is water, that's also present only on Earth. You know that 3/4 portion of Earth, 70% of Earth is covered with water, that is oceans. So Earth is also known as a blue planet. Now we must get knowledge regarding the shape of the Earth. What is the shape of Earth? In globe or model of Earth, always you see that Earth is rounded in shape. But previously people does not believe in this thing that Earth is rounded in shape. They think that Earth is flat, like our palm top, it's flat on like, and they think that if they go far and far, they travel long distance, then they get fall down from it. So they don't travel the long distances. After some time, after so many years, some learned men like Aristotle, Copernicus, they said that Earth is not flat like tabletop. Earth is rounded in shape. And after few years, a Portuguese sailor, Ferdinand Magellan, he went on a cruise. He started his journey from Spain. In the same direction he goes for a long distance for 3 years, and after 3 years he come back again on the same point from where he started his journey. Then he proved that Earth is rounded in shape. We can understand it like that he started his journey from here, and after traveling in a same direction for 3 years he again come back on the same point. It's possible only when Earth is rounded in shape. So this is the basic knowledge of Earth. Now we must get knowledge of 2 things, what is a horizon and what is a coast. When you stand on your roof, then you see that sky, it meets with Earth. It looks that sky is meeting with Earth. It's never happened, but we are saying that sky is meeting with our Earth or our land. That point where we look that or we see that sky is meeting with Earth is known as horizon. And number second thing, coast. What is coast? Coast is that area where land meet with sea. So today we must get knowledge up to this thing. Now, thank you.